Alrighty, so this is our reading for today. It's called Ants by Laura K. Marie. And these are our table of contents. And let's just continue. It says, hello ants. And you see the ants. This is how ants look up close. You can see their eyes. You can see their antennas. You see their 6 legs. They have little claws in their legs. You can even see the body parts, the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. Ants are skinny bugs, right? They're skinny insects. They live in nests underground, exactly what we were just talking about. They make their nests and they live underground. So you see these ants, these are black ants. Don't forget we spoke about colors, right? There's brown, there's black, and there's red ants. And somewhere in a book we read that sometimes they are yellow or green ants. That's what we read, okay? So those are the black ants. They are working, they're going out to look for food, or they are continuing to dig their tunnels, their nests. It also says some ants live in trees, so that you see these ants, they look green. So those could be the green ants that we read in the other story, the other book. Ants have 6 strong legs, just like we have been talking about, just like insects. All insects are going to have 6 legs, antennas, right? So they have 6 strong legs. They have antennas on their heads. Antennas on their heads help ants feel. Remember, they're feeling with their antennas. They're tasting and they're smelling with their antennas. Antennas can be black, brown, yellow, or red. So there we go. It's telling us about the colors of the ants once again. Don't forget, these are things that we're going to be talking about over this week too when we finish our unit. So we're going to be talking about what we have learned about ants. What do we know about ants? Okay, so I hope you guys remember what color the ants are. And then it says some ants are tiny and some are big. So you'll see some ants that are tiny, other ants that are a little bit bigger. Don't forget that the queen ant is the biggest ant. And that's how you could tell her apart. Ants eat nectar and plant parts. Some ants eat other bugs too. They bite with their jaws. Don't forget, we spoke about the jaws that they use. Remember, these jaws they're using to carry things, to eat, to bite, right? Because these insects do bite you. So they are eating nectar. So nectar is that juicy part of the flower. And they eat other insects, okay? A baby ant comes out of an egg, and this is exactly what we were talking about, that the first stage in their life cycle is an egg, is the egg stage. Once they come out of the egg, they are larvae, and remember we said that these are worm. They look like worms. So then once it comes out of the egg, it eats, and sometimes it makes a cocoon. So like we said, sometimes during the pupa stage, they are going to make a cocoon. And then they're going to, after that cocoon, when they come out of that cocoon, they're going to be adult ants. Then it grows, so you can see how those ants over there, they're already adult ants, right? Ants work on their nests, so they're always going to be working. When they cannot reach something or they need to go somewhere else, they're going to build these little like bridges amongst themselves, you know, so that way they can cross, one of them or 2 of them can cross to the other side. They share food with other ants. So this is another interesting thing, that with their antennas or something, they're leaving a scent behind so that other ants can also look for food. So they help each other out a lot. And then we're just saying goodbye to the ants. So goodbye, ants. And then these are the ants. You see how they are? So this is our read aloud for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'll be posting up the last read aloud for later. Alrighty. Bye.